If you've just set up Cash App or want to make sending and receiving money even faster, adding your debit card is a must. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link your debit card in just a couple of minutes so you can start using Cash App seamlessly. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. Next, look at the bottom left corner and tap the bank icon. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Now tap on Linked Banks. Here you'll see your current linked accounts, and you'll have the option to add new ones. Go ahead and tap Link Debit Card. A screen will pop up asking for your debit card details. Enter your card number, CVV, zip code, and expiration date carefully. Once everything is filled in, tap Link Card, and that's it. Your debit card is now connected to your Cash App account. This process is super quick, but it's important to double-check your card details before linking so you don't run into payment issues later. Once linked, you can easily send money, receive funds instantly, and even withdraw to your bank without delays. And there you have it. Adding a debit card to Cash App takes less than 2 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and check out the description for more tips on getting the most out of Cash App.